Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf hook with irons. A golf hook is a common shot where the ball starts right of your target for a right-handed golfer, then curves sharply to the left. This often results in lost distance and accuracy. Understanding what causes this frustrating shot is the first step to correcting it. We'll identify the key indicators of a hook. Several factors contribute to a golf hook. One major cause is an overly strong grip, which makes it easier to close the club face. Another common culprit is an inside-out swing path, where the club approaches the ball from too far inside. Additionally, excessive wrist rotation during the downswing can cause the club face to shut, leading to that unwanted leftward curve. To correct an inside-out swing path, try to feel like you're swinging more on an outside-in plane. Place alignment sticks on the ground to help visualize and guide your club path. Focus on keeping your lead wrist flat through impact, preventing the club face from closing too early. Imagine hitting the outside half of the golf ball to encourage a more neutral path. A neutral grip is crucial for controlling the club face. Ensure your lead hand's thumb is positioned more on top of the grip. Work on maintaining a square club face throughout your entire swing, from the backswing to impact. Practice a drill where you consciously feel like the club face stays slightly open through impact. This helps prevent the club face from closing too much, eliminating the hook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.